Now our next topic is Thomson model of atom. Till now we have read about the subatomic particles of the atom. Now first atomic model which was proposed, that was given by Thomson. And what Thomson said about the atomic model, he said that atom is a sphere which has radius of about 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Thomson has given us the model, and he said that the radius of the sphere of atom is about 10 raised to power 10 minus 10 meter. And he said that whole sphere consists of the positive charge. What Thomson said, उसने कहा जो पूरा का पूरा sphere है, that is consisting of positive charge and negative charge is being embedded into it, like watermelon. Whole red part of the watermelon is the positive part, and the seeds, black seeds which are being embedded in that red part, that is being considered as the negative charge. So that's why this Thomson model is also known as watermelon model or plum pudding model, means in which that kheer, whole milk which is there, that is the positive charge, and the rice or the raisins which we had added into that, that is the negative charge. So Thomson said that atom is visualized as pudding or cake of positive charge and electrons are embedded in it. And the mass of the atom is considered to be evenly spread over the atom according to this model. He said that the positive charge is being completely spread over the atom and negative charge is being embedded into it, and mass is considered to be evenly spread in this. And Thomson also showed that the atom is electrically neutral, means how much the positive charges are in the atom, the same will be the negative charge. Now what were the drawbacks of the Thomson model? Though Thomson has explained about the neutrality of the atom, or he has considered about the evenly spreading of the mass, but when further Rutherford experiment and another new experiments were discovered, then at that time the Thomson model was failed, means it was not that much satisfactorily explained like the another new experiments were. So that's why then after the new experiments were there, like Rutherford alpha ray experiment, so this was about Thomson model, where he said that atom is spherical in shape and the whole atom consists of positive charge, negative charge is embedded into it, and the mass is evenly spread, atom is completely neutral. But with the discoveries of the new experiment, Thomson model was failed. Now next topic is atomic number. Atomic number means the number of protons which are present in the nucleus. Jitne number of the unit of the positive charge, that gives us the atomic number. जितना उसमें positive charge होगा, that is the atomic number. Now for example, hydrogen, the number of proton in hydrogen is 1, so its atomic number is 1, and the number of protons in sodium is 11, so its atomic number is 11. And to maintain the electrical neutrality, the number of electrons are equal to the number of protons. जितना positive charge होगा उतना ही negative charge होगा. So the number of protons and number of electrons are equal, and the atomic number is given by number of protons. Okay, this was atomic number. Next is mass number. Now the sum of number of protons plus number of neutrons, number of protons or number of neutrons, in दोनों का sum, that gives us the mass number. We will read about the discovery of the nucleus in the next video, which was given to us by Rutherford experiment. Okay, so the mass number here is given by the sum of number of protons and number of neutrons, and the symbol for atomic number is Z, while the symbol for mass number is A. So this was the atomic number and mass number. Next is isotopes. What are the isotopes? Those atoms which have identical atomic number, जिनका atomic number तो same हो but their mass number is different, that is isotope. Same atomic number but different mass number, that is isotope. For example, isotopes of the hydrogen. In case of isotopes of hydrogen, atomic number is same, means that is Z equals to 1, but their mass number is different. So one hydrogen which have mass number 1, that is known as protium, and the one which has mass number 2, that is deuterium, and the third one which has mass number 3 is tritium. So these are the isotopes of the hydrogen. They have same atomic number but their mass number is different. So these are the isotopes, and the example of isotopes is isotopes of hydrogen. Now next is isobar. In case of isotope, it was that atomic number is same, mass number is different. But in case of isobars, they have same mass number and different atomic number. Here it is opposite from the case of isotope, same mass number and opposite atomic number. For example, here argon and calcium. Argon and calcium, both of them have same mass, 40 and 40. Both of them have same mass number but their atomic number is different. Argon's atomic number is 18 and the atomic number of calcium is 20. So this is the example of isobar. Next is isoelectronic. Isoelectronic means, iso means the same, electronic means electrons. That atoms or that ions which have same number of the electrons, they are known as isoelectronic. Which have same number of the electrons, they are known as isoelectronic. And here the example is F negative fluorine. The atomic number of fluorine is 9. But there is one charge over fluorine. It means that one charge will add up to 9. It will come out to 10. And similarly neon, it has 10 electrons and Na positive. The atomic number of sodium is 11. Na positive means 1 is to be deducted from it. Then it will come out to be 10. So these three have same electron. The number of electron in these three cases is 10. So it means these three are the isoelectronic species. Here you can see that fluorine, which has atomic number 9, means number of electrons are 9. But in case of F negative, there is one negative charge. It means 1 will add up to it. So 9 plus 1, that will come out to 10. So the number of electrons in case of F negative are 10. And in neon, the atomic number is 10. So there is no positive or negative charge over it. So the number of electrons in it are 10. Next is sodium. Sodium has atomic number 11. But in case of Na positive, there is one positive charge over it. So here 1 will get subtracted and the number of electrons that will come out is 10. So these all three species, they have same number of electrons, that is 10. So that atoms or ions which have same number of the electrons, that atoms or ion, that species are known as isoelectronic species. Thank you.